we're here at the farm, and as we talked about in a couple of weeks prior to today, the diagnosis of metritis is done through the visual evaluation of the vaginal discharge. And I told you that there is an alternative method that does not require the per-rectal palpation and retraction of the uterus, and that's the use of this tool right here. So this tool is a bar hand, it's a metal bar with a handle, and then it has the flexible tip that we talked about, and is really good to avoid injury of the cow. So this device is in a solution with chlorhexidine, and it's really good to use this solution so we disinfect the tool when we have to check multiple cows for metritis. So I'm going to show you how it's done. So this cow is already properly restrained. I'm going to use my left hand, pull the tail off to the side. This is alcohol. We're going to spray the perineal area. And I have some paper towel. We're going to use the paper towel to remove any feces. So we can see that it's very clean. With my left hand, I'm going to open the vulvar lips. I'm going to take the tool out of the chlorhexidine solution, and then in an upward fashion, I'm going to introduce the tool. After it's already in, I'm going all the way to the end. I'm going to do this movement, very delicate, and then I remove the tool. And then this cow is not a fresh cow. It means it's not, we're not going to have a lot of discharge, but we can see some, and that's what we're going to analyze for the vaginal discharge. Thank you.